Hey guys, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. Today I'm going to be sharing with you just a little decorating hack. Now, I am very eclectic. If you did not know, I'm an interior designer and I've designed lots of homes. I've done room makeovers. I've done purging and decluttering for people who are dealing with frustration of being a hoarder and not knowing where to begin. Now, I have not oh my gosh, I can't think of a time. I want to say when I was in my teen apartment, when I was 17, I can't remember actually having a set, like a coffee table with the tables to match. I've never been a matchy person when it comes to my decor and, my furniture. I've never been a matchy person. I'm holding the rug down with that, the mount for the TV for now because I just unrolled it. So you probably will have seen that video already. I'm not one for end tables. This is a very deep couch. This is deeper than a twin size bed. It's a custom couch that I had created. And so, yeah, I'm going to show you what I do instead of putting end tables on the side of my couch, where I figure it'll allow you to set more things, have more things, and just it'll be another space to collect mess. So this is what I do in my home instead of having end tables. So let's begin. Side tables, end tables, whatever you want to call them. Some people call them something different. So I like to I love to collage things and put them in random heights and kind of make a visual piece of art out of my decor. So there you have it. And I didn't put the mirror back. Well, you can kind of see it now. I was going to, but it would have shown all the stuff on the other side and kind of disrupted the actual video, but that's neither here nor there. Those are candelabras that I had, and they used to be a rustic celadon green, and I painted them white. They were from a previous project I did for a client. They didn't fit, so a lot of times my clients say, hey, you could just have these. Go ahead and take them. So I get a lot of my stuff doing my projects and my clients blessing me with things. Now, these don't have to have candles in them. Don't think that just because something is made for a certain purpose, it has to be used that way. No. Once upon a time, those balls that you see on top used to sit on top of some other candelabras, which I'll share with you in a quick second. And now those candelabras are not candelabras, those candle stands are now used for another purpose. So don't think that you have to use those for certain purposes. And I'll link videos of my little quick design snaps and design revives that I do around the house, because I'm going to start doing more of those. But yeah, just showing you quick and easy ways to do something different, make your home look different, make your home look unique. And let me show you what the other candle stands that these used to be on top of, they look like. Sorry for the lighting, but they used to sit on top of those, and now these hold plants and they're in another area. And those are candle stands, but they're not being used for that. So you can use your decor the way you intend it to be used. See, now they're functional and they are holding my plants. I didn't have to buy plant stands. So that was a design hack, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, share this video. If you want to join my family, you know how you do that? By subscribing and then hit the notification bell so you won't miss out when I load a new video. Share with friends and family, and I hope this was helpful to you. If it was, make sure you put a thumbs up, and I will see you guys later, Gators.